Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable the data saver feature on your Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the settings menu on your phone and select the network and internet tile near the top. So go ahead and just click on that and then select the data saver option. So you can see it's right now turned on. So just go ahead and click in that. And we're going to go ahead and toggle it to the off position by clicking inside the oval one time. Conversely, if you want to turn it on, you can click inside of it one more time. You can see now it's toggled to the right. That's all you have to do. Pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.